Three.
Salamat Surabaya, Celio the Prajogo Story, saying goodbye and farewell Surabaya. Today I feel happy. I've had my wonderful mum and dad, Ibu and Papi, come to Surabaya and see my family, see the things that are special to me. I have my little sister Leah, and I say farewell because I don't know if I'll come back to Surabaya. Surabaya is my heart, it's my home. It's the full moon is the love that my mum is inside me. Time to accept what life is. Grow. So easy my life could be swapped. Leah could have lived in Australia. I could have lived in Indonesia. What the decision from Grandma Bertha, Mother Bertha made, we don't know. I don't know how I'm a Prajogo. How I'm a Prajogo. I don't know. I don't know what the times or the scenario are things. It's because what God wants, what people are, the friends and family in our lives are what makes it important. You know, Leah prayed for her brother for many years. I never knew I had a sister. I never knew my sisters existed. I guess I'm very lucky, and I thank God, and I thank for the opportunities in Australia that I work hard and been the best I can be. For all my friends, Sari in Jakarta, who is a dear friend, Maria is a dear friend in Bandung. I'm sorry you not come here. Friends which are part of my family too. Indonesia is a place where my heart belongs, but my life and my heart lives in Australia. But if I work hard, I can come back and spend time with the people I care about in Surabaya. Is there anything you want to say? You can speak Bahasa if you want.
Saya berterima kasih sudah datang ke Surabaya dan sebagai wakil dari warga Prajogo, saya sangat-sangat berterima kasih sudah diajak jalan-jalan, makan bareng, dinner bareng. Saya nggak bisa berkata apa-apa. Thank you. Thank you.
We need to remember the Prajogo story is not my story. It's the story for the people of Surabaya. It's the people who I love and care about. And it's about Surabaya being strong. It's about Surabaya to be kind. It's for Surabaya to have dreams, to be anything they want to be. So, cheers, Leah. Love you, sister.
Love you too, brother.
Thank you.
It's very much.
Bye-bye.